Good morning, students. This is our BEE laboratory in our college. Okay. So if you are a BEE, first year students, you have a BEE lab. Okay. So in that lab, you need to do a theoretical calculations for each and every experiment. If maybe kit is different for your college and our college, resistance values and power supply you are giving. So the numerical values only are different, and remaining whatever the procedure, way of procedure to do a calculation part, that one is same for all the experiments. I have provided all theoretical calculations here for all the experiments. You have to use this opportunity and solve your theoretical calculation in your lab. You have to subscribe my channel and then refer to your friends also. They will also use this opportunity. If you need more information about theoretical calculation and as well as practical values, in the sense, you have to refer below description link, then you will get complete experiment. I mean to say that both theoretical calculation and as well as practical values you will get from that entire experiment. Thank you.